Today is about celebration. We're celebrating nearing the end of a busy summer. Today you have the opportunity to sign up for an AC tour, to learn more about what goes into this type of project. You have the chance to receive a plethora of resources for all our incredible vendors and partners because we serve the community. You'll have a moment presented to you where you could, if you choose to, run in front of a fire hose. And trust me, it's hot enough. In here it says that I'm gonna join you, but I spent hours fixing this hair this morning. There's no way that I'm gonna get soaked with a fire hose.
It is no mistake that you are all here on the steps of the West Campus to celebrate the ways that investing in public education can change the experience of students and their senses of belonging.
It might be difficult to understand the significance of cool air inside. I want you all to imagine how difficult it was to teach and learn in an environment that can be described as miserably hot.
We ran the pipes that run the cold water.
Now, they can focus on their learning and not the temperature. Without the bond project, this would not be possible. In my opinion, this project is equity in action.
It truly takes a village to be able to support our students. And as I look across this crowd that has come out today, I know that you're all truly invested.
I want to thank each one of you for your hard work, dedication to getting our schools providing the necessary, in this case, air conditioning and cooling upgrades that the Denver community has asked for.
I want to thank the Denver voters for bringing all of the upgrades here to the West Campus. This building has provided us with a foundation for success and pride, and now we are able to enter the next 100 years feeling supported and engaged.